Today we are going to see the next topic from the subject Conversational English. So, girls, this is the first class after first CIA test. I hope everyone have attended your CIA exams and you have come to the form of how to attend online exams. So, girls, let this time be the first time for you. For the upcoming CIA, you get a practice and try to avoid double entries. We can easily find out the double entries in the Excel format where I'm sending you the Google Forms. There itself, each and every entries will be entered. How many entries has been entered? It will be easily shown to us. So, kindly avoid such double entries for the future. Okay, girls, we'll start the class. So, in the previous class, I have stopped the first topic, the subject, from the subject Conversational English. And this is the fifth unit. The first topic we have seen about invitation. How to prepare an invitation and what are the things we have to follow and what are the various parties for which we have to prepare the invitation. So, in that unit, we are going to see the second topic, that is talking about a vacation. What is vacation? Going on tour. Going on tour, that is called as vacation. Vacation means leave. Semester holidays, exam holidays, half-yearly exam holidays, quarterly exam, and so on. Ramzan holidays. That is more than 1 week leave are considered as vacation. Okay, so today we are going to talk about vacation. Vacation is vacation is a very jolly to go with the family. We enjoy in the vacation. So this is the main idea of the vacation. But in this topic, we are going to see what are the things that we have to do for planning a vacation. Okay, mostly nowadays, you people, you go along with your parents and your parents will arrange all the things for the vacation and you will be joining them. But for the future, you have to arrange for a vacation. So, in this chapter, we are going to see how to arrange for a vacation. Shall we start? Yes. Vacation is an outlet for physical as well as mental relaxation. After a long stress, after having the same burden, we make ourselves to go out for a time being to relax ourselves physically as well as mentally. For that alone, we enjoy vacation. Vacation is not meant only for the jolly or to enjoy something. It is a relaxation. It is a kind of relaxation. So, we can enjoy over there by physically as well as mentally. From youngsters to old people, not only the youngsters or school children or college girls, they'll enjoy the vacation. Even the old people, even our parents, they enjoy going outside. They feel relaxed. Every day we dump in a place, we dump in our house, we dump in our daily routine. But vacation makes ourselves to be very much relaxed. Vacation is like a time being in heaven. Vacation time is called as time being in heaven. Time being in heaven. How we will be in the heaven, like that we can enjoy our days in the vacation. So due to monotonous mundane life. Monotonous means single. Mono means our daily life of our own. We are very much lonely. So everyone longs to visit new places. Each and everyone longs to visit new places, meet new faces, and interact and see the various culture as well as different kinds of food items. So, like this, we enjoy by going vacation. We can see different faces, we can see different places, we can taste different kinds of food. Each and every place have a unique style. Each and every place have a unique style. So this will help us to make ourselves very relaxable. We commonly use informal language while we are enjoying vacation time. We'll be very casual. It is not a official trip or a very strict trip. So we will be very casual during the vacation time. So who all will go for the vacation? We go with our family members, we go with our relatives, we go with our friends, we go with our classmates, we go with our neighbors. So we have different kinds of people who may join us. Okay, so pattern 1, we have two patterns of vacation time. How we ask someone, how we have to request someone to join for the vacation, that is the pattern number 1. And how we wonder there, how we wonder by seeing the situation, by seeing the place. Okay, these are the two patterns we are going to see here. Pattern number 1, asking someone. When our family has planned to visit a place, we never go alone. Either our our relatives will join us, or else our friends will join us, or else our neighbors will join us. So, going on vacation is not a personal issue. It is a public issue. We go with the relatives. Vacation means going alone is not a vacation. Going in a group, going with the relatives, visiting the place with the neighbors, that is called as a vacation. So, how we have to ask someone, do you like your vacation time? Why do you like vacation very much? Have you ever been to London? Did you like Paris visit? Did you like your Kerala Divya Desam visit? What about vacation time food? Did they enjoy the theme park? So these are the various questions we ask when someone has been back from the vacation. And even we'll ask, what about accommodation there? How much you have paid for the hotel? How about the food there? And what is the train route? And what are the trains are available? So these are the general things we should know before planning for a vacation. See girls, vacation in the sense we should not go for the same place every year. We have to go different places for the different vacation time. Visiting the same place every year means that is not a vacation. So, vacation comes in a routine order of different places. So this is the first pattern. Next, in the second pattern, it was given how we wonder. How we wonder. Recently, not very recently, just a year before, I have been to Agra, a very beautiful place. 1 month before, we have booked our tickets. I didn't went along with my family. I went with our college staff members, our colleagues, our staff members. So 1 month before, even I have went with my close friends. 1 year before I went there, but still I have a memory. Still I have memory about the tour. So we wonder many things. We please to see. When we remember, it will make us cherish. So vacation is a wondering. That's what I like to share. I told you I have been to Agra 1 year back. It was a very pleasant trip with my friends. Morning, at midnight, we reached Agra, and it was a very cold season. It was in the month of January we went there. It was minus degrees Celsius there. That is the highlight of the climate over there. And morning at 4:30, it was very chill. We started to get ready because without seeing the time, without considering the climate, we enjoyed seeing the Agra. What we have in the Agra? Taj Mahal. By sharp 7:30, girls, we were there in the Agra. We were there in the Taj Mahal. It was so nice to see. We wonder to see such a wonder of the world. So like that, we wonder the places. We wonder on the vacation. Wondering. Wow, it's simply superb. We express. Even I can say, I would like to say, Taj Mahal is a wondering place. It is a mind blowing to see Taj Mahal. You know, girls, it has an entry. It was a small entry. When we enter into that entry, we can see a big Taj Mahal standing over there. So we wonder by not only by seeing the Taj Mahal, I wonder, but each and everything which is new to us, we see very differently, as well as we wonder by seeing it. Oh my God, I feel as if I were in heaven. Of course, when I was standing in the Taj Mahal, I feel like it was a heaven. It was crystal clear. It shows what is love. It shows what is purity. And it is fantastic. It is fantastic. So, and after that we went to various places, and we can say different expressions or meanings or wordings to the each things we wonder over there. What an amazing natural scenery. If you have been to Mysore, if you have been to Ooty or Kodaikanal, we can say it was amazing natural sceneries there. Natural sceneries. We can see the mountain. We can see the natural sceneries. Wow, what an escape from the hot summer. If you have been to Munnar for the summer, we can say a party for 2 days. For 2 days I have been missing the hot season. So like that we wonder. I'm starting to enjoy the reality. When you get bath in the waterfalls, When you have been to the natural place, when you have been to the chill place, we can see such wonders. So, girls, um, when we visit various places, we never go only for the natural sceneries or for the climate oriented. Even we go for the historical places. Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a place where we can see number of historical places. We have Mahabalipuram. It is a very famous place for historical oriented ornaments as well as monuments. So, girls, what for we enjoy vacation? For a break, for time being, to give a break in the life, to give a break for the time, we visit vacation. So, vacation adds spices to human routine life. Every day we are cooking, every day we are eating, every day we are sleeping, every day we are studying. But going somewhere different, enjoying some different climate, enjoying some different taste, that is the main concept of vacation, which takes us something different to the new atmosphere. Okay, see how we have to select vacation destination. If it is summer means I should not plan for the hottest place. If I am living in the hottest place, now I have to select to the coldest place. Vice versa. If the climate is very chill over here, means I have to go to the warm place. So, selection of the vacation destination is more important. We have to go according to our plan, according to our time, according to our financial status, and we have to consider distance, cost of transportation, and a boarding, lodging, food, and other comforts. Everything we have to say. If I like to visit a place, I should go ahead with the travel. I should not select the place where train cannot move or go. But I feel very comfortable with the train travel. Then how come my travel will be safe and secure? How can I enjoy? So we have to select the destination by these various important aspects. Number 1, distance. Number 2, cost of transportation. Number 3, boarding and lodging and other comforts. If I am having some 15,000 rupees in my hand for my vacation and I have planned to visit Ooty, and I am going along with 4 members. For the transport, I have to pay 2,000. For 4 members, how much I have to pay? 4 into 2, 8,000. But how much I am having? I am having 15,000 rupees. So, if I spend 8,000 for the tickets, that remaining 7,000 for the lodging, for the food, everything I have to afford from that 7,000. So, we have to plan in such a way by calculating the days, money, and so on. Next, what are the different types of travel we have during vacation? Okay, we have various travels. Couple travels, couple means pair. Family trip, yes, we go along with the family members. Solo travel, yes, going somewhere for the interview or for some exam. If I go for the exam means there very nearby, if I have a beach means what I'll do, After my exams, I'll visit to the beach and I'll come over. I'll come back. I'll go over there to visit the beach. That is solo travel. Pilgrimage tour, visiting temples, that is called as pilgrimage tour. Then education trip, we used to go, but in our college we go only to the Queensland or to the MGM. Next, domestic travel. Domestic means inside, a short, within a certain area. Then abroad travel. Due to various reasons, we go and will come from the abroad. Okay. So these are the various types of travel we have. So define the uses of vacation travels. What is the benefit of the vacation? Number one, we'll get some experience. We get in touch with the new places. We get know the new culture. We meet new persons. We learn new ideas. We learn their customs. We learn their culture. We develop friendship. And we have our new experience. And finally, we relax ourselves. And when we are supposed to go to the vacation, it creates some confidence. So these are the various ideas about vacation. What are the things we have to take into consideration for the vacation? What are the things? Number one, when we are planning to go somewhere, make sure whether your travel makes yourself comfortable, whether you have booked your tickets, whether you have your annual money, and whether you have sufficient money to buy something. Then, even though if we have money also, we should not spend in a luxurious way. Then, don't spend more expenses over for the vacation. So, make the vacation time very not so expensive. Make it into a range. Make it into a minimal range. Not in a lower or not booking in a low cadre hotels or not like that. Make it in a minimal as well as medium cost of living. Next. And girls, important thing, we should not visit only the hill stations or chill places or something. Even we have to concentrate over the historical places. We have to praise the sculptures. We have to praise the persons. We have to praise our ancestors. So, even we have to plan to visit historical places. Even we can take a note about it. We can get know the various stories about historical places. We can record videos. We can take a photo snaps. It will be in our reminder. Next, when you are planning for the vacation, get access with the travel log. What is travel log? Travel log is nothing but a diary with the details. travelogue. Log means notes. So travelogue is nothing but it says about the travel experience. It shows about the different ideas or feedback and so on. And we have booked our tickets. Finally, we are moving to the vacation. What are the things we have to get in our mind about vacation? What are the things we have to take over to proceed vacation? Number 1, carry first aid. Carry first aid. And never think that what is the need of first aid. Each and everyone, whoever travels for more than 1 hour, they have to carry first aid box. Then important tablets. Important tablets means not for the fever or not for the malaria or not for the typhoid. No. You try to keep the medicines for the vomiting sensation or for the headache or for the mild fever. So try to hold these 3 issues in your mind and take tablets. An ATM card, credit card, in which card you hold your money, try to carry that card for the expenditure. Then if you are planning to go somewhere hill station with your family or with your friends, try to avoid wearing gold ornaments. Because nowadays we can see many thieves are staying only in the vacation spots. We can see Thirudargal Jagardai. So they will alert us. So like this, we should not wear costly jewels or something like that. Then always carry your Xerox copies of passport, visa and your passport size photos. If you are not traveling over the flight, if you are traveling over the train also, you can have a Xerox copy of your tickets. Not an issue. Next, it is very necessary to carry your own ID cards, your own self-identity. Next, plan according to your vacation. If you are going to stay there for 5 days, you have to take at least 8 set of dresses. And you should not take only 2 set of dresses and washing and putting it down, putting outside and making it dry and wearing it again. No. So take necessary clothes and take necessary things and arrange your bags according to the climate. Okay. So these are the various important things to take into consideration about planning a vacation. So girls, I will stop here. Tomorrow we'll continue the same topic. Okay, so I'll stop here. Kindly go through this video. If you have any doubts, kindly send a message in the comment section. Then I will take note of it. Thank you girls. So I request everyone to be safe and alert. Stay home, stay safe, go digital girls. Thank you. Don't be lethargic about the subject or about the exams or anything. So here I'll end. Kindly go through. See you tomorrow girls. Bye bye.